Today, I invite you to listen to the story of Ngai, the Creator. These stories were shared in the evenings by the fireside after the day's work was done, when the mind was calm and ready to receive wisdom. Before we begin, I invite you to listen carefully as our elders always taught us. Kikuyu stories were never just for entertainment, they carry lessons to guide our everyday lives. As you listen, I would like you to think about what lessons can we learn about family and working together from this story? How did the 9 families work together to build a strong community, and why is teamwork important? How did the fig tree play an important role in the story? Are you ready? Let us now begin. A long time ago, Mumbi, the mighty creator, looked over a sacred place called Bukurwe wa Nyakadhanga. There, he planted a magical Gikuyu fig tree, a tree of life and knowledge. From the roots of this tree, he created Gikuyu, the first Kikuyu man, and his wife, Mumbi. Ngai placed them under the fig tree and told them, "This land is yours to tend and to fill with life." Gikuyu and Mumbi worked hard, tilling the soil, planting seeds, and watching the land flourish with mititu, forests, njui, rivers, and migunda, fields. But despite their blessings, they were lonely. Ngai, in his kindness, blessed them with Airitu Kenda, the 9 daughters. Their names were Nyakeo, Nyambura, Wairimu, Waithera, Wambui, Wangeshi, Wangui, Wanjiku, and Wanjiru. The daughters grew strong and wise under the shade of the magical fig tree. They learned to sing with the birds, dance with the wind, and care for the earth. But as they grew older, Gikuyu and Mumbi realized that their daughters needed families of their own. One evening, Gikuyu stood beneath the Mukuyu fig tree and prayed. Suddenly, Ngai spoke through the rustling leaves. "Light a great fire and make an offering." Gikuyu and Mumbi obeyed. As the flames reached the stars, 9 strong and kind men appeared from the smoke. These men became the husbands of their daughters. Together, the 9 couples formed Ihirika Kenda, the 9 great clans. They spread across the land, climbing hills, crossing rivers, and planting seeds of their own. They learned to share stories, herd cattle, and harvest food. These 9 clans became Ando Agikuyu, the Kikuyu people. The children of Kikuyu and Mumbi. They honored Ngai, the earth, and the Mukuyu, remembering that they were one family, united by love and the strength of their ancestors. So to this day, whenever the Kikuyu see a Mukuyu, they remember this story. They speak the names of the 9 daughters, sing their songs, and pass their story to the next generation. Did you enjoy the story? Our elders always taught us that stories are not just for listening, they are for learning. This story reminds us of the importance of unity, the 9 families remained one people despite living in different places. Respect for the land. Ngai gave the Kikuyu a sacred duty to care for nature. The power of tradition. Our identity is preserved through the stories we tell and the customs we follow. Newega mono na tuonane. Thank you very much and see you again.